Hockey in Canada. Hockey is very popular in Canada. Many people like to watch hockey games. Hockey is Canada's winter sport. Ice hockey started in Canada a long time ago, in the 1800s. There is a large hockey league called the National Hockey League, or NHL. Teams play for a prize called the Stanley Cup. A governor-general named Lord Stanley gave this cup in 1892. There is also a cup for women's hockey. This cup is called the Clarkson Cup. A governor-general named Adrian Clarkson started this cup in 2005. Many children in Canada play hockey. They play at school, in a league, or on the street. Street hockey is also called road hockey. Parents often take their children to the hockey rink to play. Many children also collect hockey cards.